Continuing with example 2, we are trying to graph the absolute value equation. So far we've said that when x equals -1, y is equal to 4. Next, when x equals 0, y is equal to 3. And then when x equals a positive 1, that's when x is greater than 0. So we're using this top equation. When x equals 1, y is equal to 4. So we've got our three-ordered pair, -1, 4, 0, 3, and 1, 4. And when we plot these, let's see what happens. Starting from the origin, we go to the left 1 and up 4. 0, 3, start at 0 and go up 3. And then 1, 4, we go to the right 1 and up 4. Okay, and then we can connect the dots. When we connect the dots, we see that it makes this V shape. Okay, and that's our graph for the absolute value equation. And anytime you have an absolute value equation, it will look like this V shape. And then for our third example is one where we only have one variable. We either have a y or we either have an x, but not both. Like we have in this third example, y minus 2 equals 2y plus 3. The first thing you want to do is solve for the variable, whether it be y or x. And we can do that by getting the y term on one side. I'm going to subtract -2y from both sides. Y minus 2y is -y minus 2 equals 3. And I'm going to come down to the bottom of this graph so I have room. And my next step is to add 2 to both sides to get the y term by itself. And I've got -y equals 5. I still need to solve for y. So I'm going to divide by a -1. That will cancel out my negative, leaving me with y equal -5. And this is my simplified equation. Notice there is no x term in there. When there is no x term, that means you will have a horizontal line at y equal -5. So starting from my origin, I'm going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to make a horizontal line at y equal -5. And so anytime you have y equal a number, it will be a horizontal line. If you had x equal a number, you would have a vertical line. So let me give you another example. I'm going to do this on the same graph. If I had x equal 3, this will be a vertical line crossing through x equal 3.